artist. I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing a little bunny. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a little bunny. I know I've been drawing a lot of bunnies, but this is one of my favorite seasons, and I wanna draw one. Is super easy today. So we're gonna need a pencil and a marker for this picture, and we're gonna start actually with the pencil. So the first thing we're gonna do is the circle of her head. This bunny, I wanna draw it big. I'm gonna try to use most of the paper, but you can size this as you want to. So the first thing we're gonna do is kind of like a circle, and that's what I'm using the pencil for, because circles sometimes can be tricky. And with the pencil, we kind of go over the lines so we can fix them, okay? Once you're happy with your circle, we are gonna change to the marker. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is a bow that the bunny is using here. If you don't want your bunny to use a bow, you can just skip this part. We're gonna use the bow by doing a circle that is crossing the pencil line, and it's kind of like moving to the left, from the center to the left, okay? Now we're gonna do a curve that goes up and a curve that goes down. So the bottom curve is underneath the pencil line. And now I'm gonna go on the other side, same thing, okay? And we're gonna close this with a curve that goes from side to side on this part. And inside we're gonna put a little line, curvy line, just like this. So there is my bow, really simple. And we're gonna do kind of like a headband that is holding the bow. So from this side, I'm just gonna go doing a curve that touch the pencil line and come back over the pencil line, okay? Now on the other side, I'm gonna do kind of like the same. I wanna go up a little here. I wanna curve down, touch the pencil line. And now we're gonna come back following the pencil line that I have here. Just like that. Okay, now let's do the ears, and the first ear is gonna go behind the bow. We're gonna do an upside down letter U, as long, and you can do it as long as you want. Like you can do bigger ears if you want to, and inside we're gonna do a smaller upside down letter U. Okay. Now we're gonna leave about a finger space after the bow, okay? Because we wanna leave a space in the middle. And I'm gonna trace the second ear, and I'm gonna try to make it the same size as I did the other one. And we're gonna do the smaller U shape inside. Now we're gonna trace the line that is left here with pencil, and I'm gonna try to go slow, and I'm actually putting a little bit of pressure on the marker against the paper, and that helps me going a little bit more straight or a little bit more following the line. There. Now we're gonna do the eyes, and we're gonna do this really simple. We're gonna go in the center of the picture. We're gonna go here from the bottom, and then I wanna try to go up in the center, and I'm gonna go 1 and 2 U shapes. That's gonna be her smile. And we're gonna pass the marker twice just to make these lines thicker. And next to the smile, we're gonna do the eyes, and I'm just gonna go and do 2 oval shapes, just like this. Okay, and we're gonna color these oval shapes in black. Now that I have my bunny, I'm gonna erase the lines that I have left with the pencil. And there, that's it. We finished this cute bunny that is ready for Easter. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my bunny turned out with the colors. It was an easy coloring. We just used 2 tones of pink, a light pink for the ears and the little nose and the rosy cheeks, and a darker pink for the headband. Remember, you can change all these colors. You can actually change the headband and put some decorations, and you can add more things around the bunny like Easter eggs or some butterflies or flowers. You can use your imagination to finish your picture. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!